All right, viewers, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also stoked a fresh controversy over his comments on Lord Shiva and Ram. He's basically made a controversial statement during a rally. This was in Chhattisgarh, Jangir Champa constituency. While promising Congress candidate Shiva Kumar Daharia, Kharge emphasized that the candidate's name was Shiva, and he remarked that he could rightly compete against or with Ram. Kharge even added that his name, that is Mallikarjun Kharge, actually means Shiva. Listen in to what Mallikarjun Kharge had to say.
ये सूखने वाला फूल होना क्या मजबूत काम करने वाला हाथ होना, आप बताइए। हाथ तो हाथ हमारा चिन्ह है और हाथ के आप मोहर लगाओ और हमारे लोगों को जिता के लाओ। और हमारे यहाँ के जो कैंडिडेट हैं, क्या
शिव कुमार
डहरिया, देखो इनका भी नाम शिव कुमार, अबे बराबर है, राम का मुकाबला कर सकता है क्योंकि ये शिवा है। मेरा भी मल्लिकार्जुन बोले तो मैं भी शिवा हूँ।
All right, and BJP reactions have started pouring in already as expected. BJP is slamming the Congress party. The reaction, latest one coming in from Shehzad Poonawala, who's slamming Mallikarjun Kharge for this so-called controversial statement on Ram and Shiva. Let's take you through exactly what the BJP has to say. Amita is joining us live on the broadcast. Amita, over to you for the same.
Right, Meenakshi, what is Shehzad Poonawala of the BJP trying to say? कि Kharge has been saying कि हमारे कैंडिडेट का नाम शिवा है, ये बराबर राम का मुकाबला कर सकते हैं। अब कांग्रेस राम वर्सेस शिवा करवाना चाहेगी क्या? After attacking Sanatan Shakti, Ram and Ram Mandir, now anti-Hindu Congress, which always wants to divide and rule, intents of dividing even our Bhagwan, caste, language, and then dividing on the grounds. If that wasn't enough, now Ram versus Shiva. Meanwhile, they say that Muslim vote bank must unite, but they have been dividing the Hindus. This is the anti-Hindu Congress, the allegation that has now been leveled by the BJP.
All right, and of course, that's the big reaction coming in from the BJP. So, face-off has already begun over Mallikarjun Kharge's statement. Niyamika is also joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, this is a massive controversy, of course, in the middle of the polls, gives further ammunition to the BJP to attack Mallikarjun Kharge. Why don't you take us through the exact statement which was made by Mallikarjun Kharge and the politics and face-off over the same?
Well, of course, this has given ammunition to the BJP as they have started attacking the Congress party once again. Earlier, also we have seen that how the BJP was saying that the Congress party is in a habit of attacking and abusing the Sanatan Dharma, and that's what they are saying this time as well, as they have raised the issue of the statement which has been given by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge in Chhattisgarh, in which in a public meeting he has said about the candidate of the Congress party, Shiv Kumar Daharia, as he said that his name is Shiv Kumar and बराबर ये राम का मुकाबला कर सकता है क्योंकि ये शिव है. I am also Mallikarjun. मैं भी शिव who don't lure the people through religious talks. People are very clear. So that's the message which Mallikarjun Kharge had given. But now the BJP is taking up this entire issue. They are saying that this is an insult to the Sanatan Dharma which Mallikarjun Kharge has done, because he is saying that there will be a fight between two gods, which is Shiva and Ram, and that's the reason why they are saying that this has once again been an insult to the Sanatan Dharma, to the Hindu Dharma, which the Congress president has done.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all these details. War of words escalating over Mallikarjun Kharge's Shiva versus Ram statement. We'll keep an eye on that big story through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.